See what they got here at this Pokemon vending machine. Let's see what they got right here. Alright, everything's sold out. Everything's sold out right here. Sold out. Mega Evolution. Nothing here right now. So I gotta come back. 51 booster, $26 for that. Surgeon Sport. You know, nothing there right now. Everything's sold out. So I gotta come back and see if anything is here. But everything's sold out at Pokemon vending machine. So please like, share, subscribe. Subscribe now to my channel so you get more video, more updates. Thanks for watching. I'm out.